Let's start from preposition. What is preposition? Preposition is a word or parts of speech which show the relationship between two nouns. Or preposition is a word or part of speech which show the relationship of a noun or a pronoun to the rest of the words in the sentence. The Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary defines preposition as a word or group of words used before a noun or a pronoun to show place, position, time, method, etc. For example, look at this example. The pen is on the table. Ali walked along the river. She wrote a long letter to her. In these three sentences, on, along, to are prepositions. In next video, I will explain the uses of all prepositions one by one. I will start from and on, at, for. All these will explain you and detail with the appropriate use of those prepositions. Kinds of preposition. A simple preposition. Simple preposition is a one word or a single word preposition. We began the English language class at 2 p.m. Pakistan is in Asia. I bought this gift for Sally. At and for, these are single word preposition. These single words preposition are called simple preposition. In, at, on, by, to, from, with, for, up, down, under, tell, near, etc. all simple preposition. What is compound preposition? Compound preposition is a two-word or compound preposition. For example, the students are outside the class. A come before B. I sit beside Saleh. In these three examples, outside, before, beside are compound preposition because out is one preposition, side is another. B is one, for is another. B is one, side is another. So those prepositions which consist of two words, they are called compound preposition. Across, about, along, behind, between, within, without, inside, outside, etc. are compound preposition. Participle is preposition. Participle mean verb plus ing can also function as a preposition, and it is called participle as a preposition. For example, he did not reply regarding my request. Here in this example, regarding function is a preposition, okay, not as a verb. Muhammad, peace be upon him, accomplished his mission during his lifetime. During is a preposition in this sentence. We send the progress report respecting the child to his parent. And this sentence respecting is a preposition. Praise preposition. When a group of words function as a single preposition, it is called praise preposition. For example, because of hot weather, we turn on the fan. We will stay home in case of rain. You will learn grammar in case of time. In this example, because of, in case of, or praise preposition, these are function as a single preposition, along with, according to, because of, by means of, in order to, in case of, in regard to, etc. are praise preposition. What is disguise preposition? Those prepositions which have changed their original shape and still function as a preposition are called disguise preposition. For example, I reached to the party at 12 o'clock. So the original shape is of the clock, now o'clock. The o'clock original shape is of the clock. I receive gifts once a week. So the original shape is once in a week, not once a week. A for n and B for by, etc. And they are still function as a preposition. Keep in mind, some preposition are not an original shape, but still they are function